What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another side-by-side Central terrible video. We got some snow today, so we're gonna go play in said snow. So I got the X3 here. I just let it warm up for a quick minute. I'm gonna run up to the neighbor's house, see what they're up to, see if they wanna go play in the snow, and we're gonna kind of go from there. Kind of weird, we're heading to Mexico. Weird time for it, but they got some snow this year. So all this driving was performed on the streets of Mexico. Anyways, let's shoot over their house, see what they're doing. We'll pick her up from there.
A few moments later.
You're leading this one, Trayton. What are we doing?
Me? What?
So Ed that came up to St. Helen with us, he has his X3. I got mine out. We're gonna go kind of just cruise around some back roads and play in the snow. So we'll get some footage of that. I figured we were gonna go riding, so we might as well just bring the cameras with us anyhow. So yeah, let's do that. For a nice little rip out playing in the snow. Trayton was a pretty solid camera guy for us. Got some clips. You took that one where I was going around you on your Snapchat, didn't you? Did you send it to me?
Yeah. Yeah, close, dude. Mexico's weird when it's snowy, though.
Yeah, weird time of year for it. See, that looks sick. That's gonna be a sick, like, TikTok. I should have turned my rock lights on and the whips. What do you think?
It's fun.
Yeah.
Pisses me off that you're so fast on all them f***ing turns, though.
It has to be just a shorter wheelbase or something.
I don't know. I think it was nuts.
I go into the corners pretty quick.
Yeah.
Dude, he even said, I hope the GoPro picked it up. Trayton goes, I know you got it, but like it's still sketchy. I mean, I did fuck up down there. That's the first time I think I ever over-rotated it. Yeah, upper doors, liking them?
Oh, yeah.
So much better.
I know on the last video I said they're cheap Kemimoto doors, but they're pretty well made for and it's a fair price on them, so they're pretty worth it, I think.
Yeah, just the fact that it cuts down on all the wind, because like mine has like hella air gaps in it, but like I mean, I didn't have gloves. Were you wearing gloves when we were just out there?
At the beginning I was, and I took them off.
I hate, like, the steering wheel's so grippy, it's hard to wear gloves. I usually, when we're doing stuff like that and I need the wheel to float through my hand, I just take the gloves off. But, like, I mean, it stays warm enough. Granted, we weren't going that fast. It was all tire spin, but...
I don't think it's that cold out right now either. It wasn't like St. Helen.
Yeah, no, it was 7 degrees then, and I think we're at, like, 31 right now.
Yeah.
All right, so it dropped down a little bit. Yeah, we decided to come back to Ed's real quick just because we didn't want to piss everyone in Mexico off just by... I mean, it's pretty late. I don't know what time it is now, but... yeah, there's people probably sleeping, so we decided to chill for a little bit. We'll probably go back out here in a minute. Flip the cameras back on. Dude, I had a good one.
The second time around?
First time.
Oh.
Down there, I let off and was just completely sideways, no throttle, and then like linked it. All right, so we just got back. Got the X3 pulled in the barn, trying to melt some of the snow off this thing. Like I mentioned, we got a little bit of snow. I don't even know how much snow we got, a couple inches, 3-4 inches, something like that here in Mexico. I know I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we're gonna go out and just kind of play around, so I figured I would just turn the camera on and do a quick video. Ed had his RS 4-seater, so the RS Max. Obviously, I had the XRC. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you guys like content like this, let me know down in the comments. We can do more of this stuff. If you want to see snow riding out in the day, we can also make that happen. And if you guys are into anything side-by-side related, that's all we do on this channel. So if that's your thing, make sure you subscribe, because that's all we do. Until next time, guys, we are out.